So sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow.
Hey, what's up everyone? I have a brand new human hair lace front that I can't wait to share with you guys. Actually, it's synthetic. You guys, I had to start this video off with the hairline. I'm the Tastemaker, and hello, look at this hairline, sis. So today we about to get into this synthetic wig. Now, a lot of you guys have come to my channel from one of my most popular synthetic wig videos, and that was my gray Mina wig, which has like over 300,000 views now. I am like, wow, that was literally just a year ago. And I feel like since the Mina wig, I feel like this is one of my favorite lace front wigs that is a synthetic wig because it looks so freaking natural, you guys. I did straighten out this wig as well, even though the wig does come straight, and just look how this hair flows for this to be a synthetic wig. So yeah, you guys, I know y'all want to get all the details on this wig. Y'all want to know how I got to slay it like this. So if you're ready to level up, then just continue watching. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this wig. I look super like washed out and pale, I don't know why, but anywho, so here is the wig. The wig that I'm reviewing today is called the Royal Swiss Lace Premium Class Wig. This is in the style Lace H Hope, and I do have it in the color 1, which is basically jet black. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. All right. Now, the first thing that just caught my eye is this tag, and it's showing how the lace is on here. It's saying that it's a flawless pre-tweezed hairline. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I haven't done one of these in so long. I'm actually really excited. So it's not like a super long unit or anything like that. How do you take this out? Oh girl, it's all kind of contraptions. Look at all these contraptions in there. Lordy. So the wig does come with some lace tape. So I don't really use tape or anything like that. The only thing I use is Got to Be Glue spray. So I won't be needing that, but if you are somebody that uses that, it does come with your wig. It's convenient. So here's the wig. It's a jet black color, of course. It has a nice shine to it. It doesn't look very synthetic-y, so that's the plus side to it. And it's not exactly a lace front, but I'll show you guys the inside of the wig. So this is the front part of the wig, obviously. So this is the front of the wig. Here is the lace part. So it's not like a whole ton of lace. It's not like a 13x4 exactly, but I mean, you don't really need all that anyway. It's just a synthetic wig, child. Girl, hello. So here is the part. It doesn't look like I'm gonna need to put like much makeup or anything on it, but I am. But it looks very natural, like especially for this to be synthetic. It looks extremely natural. This unit does have combs. I know it's hard to see because it's all black, but there's a comb there on this side. There is another comb on this side. And then there's also a comb here at the bottom. It does have adjustable straps. If you are not new to my channel, you guys know that I hate combs, but I'm not even gonna cut them out of here because I don't feel like doing all of that right now. But I think this wig is gonna be a great alternative for those of you guys who can't really afford lace front wigs yet, or maybe you're in between, you know, situations and you need a cute little unit. I see how this looks already. I don't even need to put no makeup on underneath. I thought I was gonna need to. Well, actually in real life, yes I do. In real life, I do. But here's the wig. Just a cute little middle part wig. It's making my forehead look big. I don't like that. I'll put mine down a little bit. Okay, that's better. So it is giving me like kind of like a little egg head right now. I'm not really a fan of that, but it's something that can be easily fixed. So if you're somebody who likes deep parts, this wig does have a deep part. So here are the edges of the wig. I mean, it's good for a synthetic wig, honestly. If you're one of those girls that likes to pluck their synthetic wigs, you can totally pluck this if you wanted to. But I mean, it looks pretty doggone good for it to be a synthetic wig. Like, I'm impressed. This line that you see right here is from my wig cap. That's what that is, so I'll pull it down a little further. But yeah, this is actually very natural looking. I'm surprised. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of this unit, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into styling, sis. Okay, guys, so the next thing that I went ahead and did was I got my foundation that's basically running out, and I use this flat top elf brush. If you're an older subscriber of mine, you guys already know about this, but I have to let everybody that's new know. So yeah, basically what I did is I just took the foundation and I just rubbed it all on the lace and the inside of the wig. This is what I do with my human hair wigs and with my synthetic wigs. Personally, I don't like to put the powder on top. I know a lot of girls like to do that. I just don't like how that look is. I'm a fan. It's not my thing, sis. It's not my thing. So now what I'm going to do, I actually need some Got2b glue gel because I am going to do some baby hairs on this wig. Because this is a lace front wig, I'm going to try to make it look as much as a human hair wig as I can for you guys, so that way you guys can get like the full experience of this wig.
That East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. This that ground zero music, sit and listen to it. This the children of the sewer finally winning music. This confessions of a Lord, I've been sending music. The rap book is my Bible, just repenting through it. I jump in the whip and say, ooh, it's my shit, and I tell them to turn it up. Jump in the pit and start marching and shit, and I tell them to burn it up. This is Mr. Trap Lord, I'ma go into the sun is up. East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Run it up, 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 run it up. Fuck that shit, we can turn till the sun is up. All of you niggas get burnt when the gun is up. This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Then I do the center, throw a nigga off the pillar, not kill him, they never find out. Fuck what you feeling, trap low in the pillar with the lords, and they with it right now. Pull up with them niggas like Scott, and I'm murking them, church, see the Batman coming. Dump if a nigga say dump in the pump, had the best of the bad boys running. Jump if you ready to fuck this shit up and get nuck if you fuck if you thug it. Dump if you ready to fucking pick up, cause he cut a nigga up for nothing. There's some children that'll hold a thing and then let it bang cause you front. Jump cause I'm feeling like I'm the illest nigga, I'm the trillest and I love it. Push the beans like it's nothing. Sachi layers like it's nothing. Fucking tears like it's nothing. Fucking friend like it's nothing. Bitches with it like it's nothing. Set them titties like it's nothing. Make the model like it's now. Type my model like it's now. Run it up, 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 run it up. Fuck that shit, we can turn till the sun is up. All of you niggas get burnt when the gun is up. This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Run it up, 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 run it up.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know the pros and cons to this hair now that I have it on. It was very simple as far as like styling. I pretty much just wore it how the way it came. I didn't do like any hairstyle really with it. It's a basic middle part, and I really like once you flat iron it, maybe if I had like a different color on, you guys would really be able to see, but like running my fingers through this is like a breeze. Like it's so just like, it's soft. The ends are not like looking crazy or anything like that. This side has a little bit more tangling at the ends, I've noticed, but it's still like, maybe I'll put it like behind my hand. It's still pretty good. Like it looks good, especially for this to be like synthetic hair. But I will say if you're like flipping it around and stuff like that, you will experience some tangling. I feel like this side is a lot better though. Some people may feel like, oh, there's no point in straightening the hair if it already comes straight, but it does transform the feel of the hair. It kind of brings the luster out in the hair a little bit more to me, and I just overall really like how this looks. It does not give me like a synthetic wig kind of vibe. Everything from the part looks so natural. I didn't need to pluck it. I didn't need to put baby hairs in the front. The edges look super natural. Like, do y'all see these edges though? Like this is definitely pre-plucked, and then if you wanted to, you can obviously pluck it more. You don't have to wear it in the middle part if you don't want to. You can totally shift this wig to the side and do like a curved side part. Ooh, let's try. Oh, but I already did it, huh? It's all right. It's all right. We're gonna be all right. So let's put her off to the side, maybe over even a little more, like a dramatic bang. Ooh, that's cute. Hold up, wait a minute. And have this kind of look. I mean, my edges are looking a little crazy right now, like right here. This is where I had cut that baby hair earlier. So yeah, if you wanted to pull this hair back, I'm gonna pull it off to the side real quick. And then we could do like, cause I was trying to do baby hair on here earlier and I really didn't like the look of it. I think that's cute. Even have the hair kind of like go back a little. But yeah, if you wanted to do like a cute ponytail, like a swoop bang ponytail, like you guys see me do with my Unice hair, pull this down here and wear it off to the side like this. You know, you can do a lot with this wig. You can leave it like this and have this part coming down like that. This is super cute. There's a lot of cute ways to wear this wig. I actually might leave it like this. I kind of like this look. There's definitely a lot of different ways that you can style this wig. It's super versatile, especially with the front being so like bomb. Like look how pre-plucked and bomb. Like my foundation came off here because, you know, we did our baby hair right there earlier. But even if you didn't want to like have it all in your face, like just down off to the side like this. Like that's cute. I like this. I'm not exactly sure how many inches this wig is, but I will leave that down below. I mean, you cannot tell me that this is not giving you human hair vibes. Okay, so I'm looking on the website, then I looked on like other websites and nobody's really saying like how many inches this wig is, but I would give this like a good 18 to 20 inch. That's what I would say the length is for this wig. I'll actually stand up for you guys as well so you guys can see. Now the original price for this wig was $42, but this wig is actually on sale right now for $35.96. So basically $35 for this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so y'all can see. Maybe I need to come back here. This is where, oh, I need to comb in here. So yeah, this is where the hair is hitting me in the back, whatever. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this wig. So the first con is this. The ends do tangle, but I guess that's kind of like expected. It is like a synthetic wig. I mean, what more do you want from me? Y'all killing me with this. Anyway, but yeah, so yeah, the pro obviously is this hairline. Like this hairline is amazing. I have never seen a synthetic wig look this good. This is like wow. The other thing I would say is like the baby hair kind of situation is something I'm not like a big fan of. I like when my baby hair works with me. The baby hair on this wig really wasn't trying to work with me. All it did was just mess up my foundation. So I don't know if that was me or not, but I'm pretty good at my baby hair, so I'm like, sis, what's tea? The part is really natural as well. I did put makeup on my part, obviously, and it is a deep part, so you can part it way back here if you want to. But I like my parts to be a little bit shorter. I don't really like my parts to be too deep or too long, because I feel like that starts making you have like a little egghead. Personal opinion, I really just like the fact that a lot of synthetic wig companies are being more mindful and on trend with what's happening in the hair community, that they go out of their way to make affordable options for people, because they know everybody is not going to have $100-something to buy bundles and a frontal and get it installed by somebody if they don't know how to do it themselves. Some people don't know how to make wigs, even though, you know, that is an affordable, I mean, even though that is like a great alternative to having someone else do it for you. But if you don't know how to do it, then you know what I'm saying. So yeah, if you guys want this wig, a direct link to this wig will be down below. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.